Remember when I told you about my dream winter cabin trip this year? Yeah, me too. Still kind of bummed out about that. But even though I'm enjoying all these posts and videos and living through social media, that doesn't mean I can't join in on the fun, right? Want to watch me get into this Aspen inspired vacation look? Let's get started. Okay, I'm prepping my lids with the lightest shade in my e.l.f. contour and concealer palette. Then I'm digging into my Juvia's Place Wahala 2 eyeshadow palette to throw the color Wasted into my crease. Next, I'm heavily patting the shade ASAP over it to deepen my crease again. I want to brighten my lid with a wintry, sparkly look, so I'm going to attempt doing a cut crease again using that e.l.f. concealer palette one more time. We're going to start trying to create that snowy and cold effect on my lid by adding Egg by Me to the crease. Then I'm ready to add my next layer of Aspen Blue with that gorgeous shade, Dream. You know, in the middle of filming this, I was kind of inspired by this whole lumberjack chic vibe I was given with my shirt. So I'm going to try to blend those greens and blues in my shirt with the shades Fury and Jealous. Now, you know when you're working with the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette and you see all these gorgeous shades, it's hard to just stick to one in the palette. So I'm going to go ahead and top all of this off with the little extra shine with that gorgeous teal green shade, Money. Now I'm trying to serve a little snowflake chic over in my brows by tapping into that super pretty silver shade Ambition. Alright friend, let's get into this face. If you've seen a few of my makeup videos, then you know I'm going to be starting off with my faves, like this HydroGrip Primer from Milk Cosmetics and this super buttery matte foundation from the Born This Way Too Faced collection in the shade Chai. Now, I think it's safe to say I did more than enough razzle dazzle on my eyeshadow, so I'm not going to go too crazy with the concealer today. I want to start off with cleaning up some of those corners in my eyes with that handy dandy trusted NARS creamy concealer. Then I'm going to top it off with Golden from my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Now, once I'm done buffing that in, I'm going to just do a little tap of that espresso shade from the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer, just to add a little hot cocoa contour to the mix. Now, I don't want to use a powder, so I'm going to set all of this with a nice matte setting spray. Okay. Now, you know I like me a little earth tone lip, so I'm going to push some of this dark wine color pencil into the outline of my lips before I dip right back into my espresso concealer to add it as a shade on my lips. Alright, so I'm just adding some simple little streaks into my eyeliner just to darken that up and prep my lashes for the drama. Now, while I'm waiting for all of that to dry up, you know I had to slap a little bit of blush onto my cheeks with my favorite orange shade in that Warrior 2 palette from Juvia's Place in the shade Zama. One of my girlfriends put me on to using orange as a blush, especially as a brown girl, and I was super skeptical until I tried it for myself, and I definitely think you should give it a shot. Now, what's a little hot cocoa without some marshmallows and a little dollop of whipped cream on top? So I'm going in and adding a little bit of that creaminess from my liquid catsuit shade from Wet n Wild right on top of that brown. Now go and get into these lashes that I picked up from Cute as a Button. You know this is my favorite spot on Etsy to get 3D mink lashes. So I'm throwing these lovely ladies on. And if you want to give it a try for yourself, you know what to do. Scroll down in that description box and click that link. Okay, friend, here it is. You know I'm about to give you a couple angles. Just tell me what you think. Did I capture that Aspen vibe? Did I make you want to book me a trip to a cabin? No? Well, a girl can dream. Anyway, thanks as always for clicking play on this video, and go ahead and let me know what you think of this look in the comment box below. Until next time, peace out, friend.